The journey to Zell has been a very fruitful and long one. It actually started 20 years ago. I have known the co-founder of Zell, Pratham, since he was 14 years old. I actually used to teach him maths back when he was in the 9th standard, and then I went away to London to do my ACCA, and Pratham started his ACCA after I returned from London, and he was being mentored by me through his ACCA papers. So our journey started even before Zell came into existence. Unfortunately, when Zell was founded and the teaching etc. started here, I was based in Bangalore. But as soon as I came back to Bombay in 2018, I started teaching at Zell. Teaching has always been my passion, and what better could I ask for, where my student who had now become an entrepreneur and started his own journey where he was trying to spread knowledge and teach ACCA to students in so many different parts of India. So honestly, I have been teaching for so long that I must have taught at every commercial institute out there. Okay, normally the culture at every institute is very or purely transactional in nature. I am a teacher, I come, I get paid, the student pays the fees, and that's that. I teach and I'm gone. However, everything at Zell is different, and it is like a family here. I'm so glad that there is a wonderful support system or a support team at Zell. Whenever I have administrative issues, I never have to look into them at all. I purely have to focus on my students and my teaching. Even the students that join Zell realize that there is a huge culture change here in terms of how they are accepted. We have occasions that are celebrated together. So honestly, on my birthday before the lockdown, I had 2 classes on my birthday. Zell team as well as a couple of students bought cakes for me. It was wonderful, as in they are not even supposed to know my birthday, but it was celebrated. Just the small aspects, right? I mean, we connect to students to a level where even after I teach them a particular subject, right, they are still in touch with me. I have hired quite a few of my students that I have taught, not necessarily for all subjects, but teaching is a very good way to talent scout, and you understand which students can become good employees in the future. And me being a senior level executive can make hiring decisions, and I choose to hire students from Zell because they have the right attitude, they have the right technical ability, obviously because of the kind of education that we provide, but they also have the right culture. They are all humble, they respect every teacher's wishes. I mean, I am a busy person, and from Monday to Friday I'm not able to answer a lot of questions all the time, so I answer late at night, but they all know my schedule and they're all okay with it. And there is a lot of life lessons that I give out during our class. I always leave 30 minutes in a lecture to actually focus on life lessons rather than only the subject, right? Because that is important when it comes to building a student's character. So honestly, this journey at Zell has been very fruitful, and because teaching is my passion, I want to continue to do that. I want to do it in a place where I feel respected, I feel valued, and I feel that the time that I'm spending is making me happy rather than just being purely transactional in nature.